Hi, to track steps on the Xiaomi Redmi Watch 5 Active, as a first step, take your phone and find and open this My Fitness app. So here, make sure that the watch is connected to the app, and in that case, you would see the status connected and the battery percentage. So what we are gonna do now is to go in this device tab, then scroll a bit and check this fitness and health section. After that, go in the stats, and now we can see the steps. So as a first step, you can set your daily goal. For example, we can set 10,000 steps per day, just like that. Here you can set the goal for moving, for example 60 minutes, like that, and calories you want to burn, for example just 600. And that is how it will look now. So that is your goals, right? And to check your results, you will need to simply go back like that, go in this health tab, and right here you would see how many calories you burned per day, how many steps you had, and moving time. So this feature will be immediately enabled if you just wear your watch, and it will immediately start to track your steps, calories, and moving time. And also, as for additional way, you can take your watch, open the list of apps. Here, go in this workout app, select, for example, something like outdoor running or walking. And here, as you can see, we need to wear the watch, and after that you just need to press this go button, and here you would see the time of your walking, the pace, meters, heart rate, and so on. And that's it for today. Hope this video was helpful, and thank you for watching.